I have an idea to start this morning. It won't take more than 5 minutes, but I just hope that you will not hate me. Remember, if you throw me out the window, you will go to prison, so it's not a good idea. I don't think it will take more than 5 minutes, or 6 strings, maybe 6 minutes. We recognize that we all of you and me, we all have problems with basic things, you know. One thing that's important is that we often receive advice, suggestions, and we don't usually understand them. I would also say that when the teacher says something, never believe it. Never. When the teacher of mathematics says 2 and 2 is 4, yes, you can believe this. When we're talking about the technique on guitar or instrument, don't believe anything I say, but until you have tried it yourself. And if it works for you, then you can believe me. One thing I have noticed is that the idea of the hand moving the finger, especially when we're going the horizontal way. Yes, we have all heard this, but we haven't really programmed it. And I'm going to do something now. I've never done this before, not even with myself. Well, last night I tried. Let's just see what happens. I'll try and demonstrate it. We have to be very exact. What I want to do is this. It's like what you call the diminished chord. With the first finger, just do this. First fret, the 4th, the 7th, and 10th. And back. All right, that's the road. We have 4 points. Hooks, cocks, column, nelly. Now, it looks a bit like robotic. And on 1, we play. On 2, we just release, not, this is important, not taking the finger like this, but that it's coming from here. Hooks, cocks. Now this you do very quickly, but just to here. You don't go onto the string. Hooks, cocks, column, nelly. So it'll be hooks, cocks, column, nelly, cocks, column, nelly, cocks, column. Now with the second finger here. Hooks, cocks, column, cocks, column. There always will be 2, frets between. Now we do the fourth. Right, that wasn't so bad, was it? Now we do it on every string. Do you know this expression in English, look before you leap? You just look where you're going, so you have to know it. Consider this. We won't move it like, oh, you could, but the idea would be, this is very clear. It's a quick. That, the third element, do it as precise. It's not so much that it's fast, but very precise. Right. That wasn't too bad. You're still alive. Yeah. Now, what was happening? There's this release that way. Now, you obviously cannot play your music this way. What we want to do is program the hand so that anytime you do this, or whatever, that this is what's happening in a very, shall we say, micro world. That and you'll only develop this by doing it for a period of time. Let's see if just doing it this one time we did it. Let's repeat that, but now just now none of this color stuff, right? Just feel that and think in your left shoulder when you're making the movement. In other words, what we did now in this very slow tempo, just what will help us that if we have any noise, that's telling us that the finger did not leave the string the same way that it arrived. If you go to the side, you get this noise. If you go up and using the arm, you don't get the noise, or almost none. Now, there's nothing wrong with the noise. It's something, but the noise is telling you that you are not using your maximum possibility. You're not. This might be a little difficult to develop, but once you've got it, it really works. Okay, no one is going to say, hey, this is great fun. There's worse things you can do with 5 minutes than this. It's enough if for a period of time